Welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. I don't know if you can see the sticker on the window, but I'm going to show you. This car, wait a minute. Alright, I had to make sure the mic was on. Alright, this is a 2005 Ford Escape. Customer bought it from the auction for $350. Problem is, it's a hybrid too. Problem is, you crank it, it might start up for a second or two, shuts right off. So as you know already, if you saw the Autel video, I'm returning that, so I'm not using that. I'm going to hook up my Actron and see if we got some communication going on. Alright, let's go over there and check that out. Alright, we got our Actron sitting here. It's up under the steering column right there. Now I'm trying to trade the Actron in because this one's really old. And this is actually not CAN enabled. So, alright, let's put the key in the right position. Let's see if we got any codes right now. Okay. Let's go under global and keep it, enter, blah, blah, blah. Diagnostic codes. Read codes. Operating error. So this is why I need to trade this one in. But let's see what we got here. Oh, that sounds loud. Stop safely now. Stop safely now. Huh. Now it won't do nothing. She said the last time she had somebody look at it, the code came back as a battery. And we are like halfway there and all. Now, the muffler sounds loud too. Let's go through this. Sit down. There. Man. Take a look and see what's up underneath here. Oh my god. You guys see this? Look at the strip. Look at that. Damn it. This thing been in a flood. One strap is broken on the fuel tank. This whole thing is rotten. Canister looks new. Yeah. Let's go look up here. Look at the floor, look at the frame on this thing. This whole thing is gone, man. Oh my goodness, look at that chassis over there. Guess you go to an auction, you buy something, you better check it out. Get up under that car. Dang it. I mean, this thing sat in water. There is no way you can tell me that this thing didn't set in the water. Let's go up under here. Let's go back to that gas tank. Look at that gas tank strap. Man, let's go. Maybe they should have did a title search, but you know, these crooked places. There's a lot of crooked places, man. They won't report the car that it's been in a flood. I mean, when you get the shocks like that and this much rust, this thing been in a major flood. Guys, if you know any kind of indicate, look at this. Look at the panel. There it is. There's that indication right there. That's how high this. Look at the door over there. Now I see back there the panel pulled off. Or is that just the stuff behind it? Where's the stuff behind it? It's not the water damage. Trying to find some kind of indication. They really, wait a minute, what's that stain over there? Look at those wheels. Oh, goodness me. They put run and drive. Oh yeah. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Look at it. Escape, lost type, water. It was in a flood. Check that out, man. You bought a vehicle that was in a flood. This thing is history. Oh my goodness, look at the back of here. It's a done deal on this. There ain't no use in putting no money in this or anything. You know, they might as well cut their losses. $350. They paid for it. That's done. All right, I'll be right back. All right, pretty much. It ain't no use in going on more diagnosing in this and even trying to repair anything, because it's just gonna be a headache and it's gonna be so many comebacks for me. I'm gonna keep charging, and it's gonna fix one problem, cause another, then that problem's originally gonna come back when you got a flood vehicle. Guys, girls, listen, if you go into these auctions and they're not dealerships, they're, you know, normal people. If you go to these dealerships, you know, that tag's right there. You got to pay attention to that car, man. There's a reason why they do not, the governments and states do not allow anybody selling flood vehicles. There's a reason behind that. So don't think you're getting a good deal. Now, only way you would get a good deal is that you're not buying a car to be running and to just have some nice body parts for then to switch to another car. That's it. All right, that's all. So stay away from them. Wow, man, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but any comments, be sure to put them in the comment section below, or email me at tim@astralautorepairs.com. All right, take it there. This is Tim. If we can't repair it, nobody can. Take it easy.